Speaker Officer, Honorable Toto Numapas, our Barangay Captain in the Barangay Council. Our loving teachers, Ma'am Jansan V. Hadalia and Malinia Juan Eliu. I am very happy and I hope everyone enjoys this day with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.